Hello, and thank you for taking the time to look at this presentation. I'm here to introduce DxMe BC, a simple, powerful blood test that can transform breast cancer screening worldwide. Breast cancer is the most common cancer in women. Early detection is critical, but current methods of screening for various reasons are highly inaccurate. Mammography is the primary method used for breast cancer screening in most countries, but has major limitations, not the least being accessibility. Many women find breast cancer screening undesirable and uncomfortable due to its invasive nature, and a significant portion of the population, whether justified or not, has concerns about radiation exposure from mammograms. In addition, the accuracy of mammograms depends heavily on the quality of the equipment, the training, and the skill of the technician performing the scan, and also the expertise of the radiologist interpreting the images, factors that contribute to relatively high rates of both false positives and false negatives. Another significant issue with mammograms is that up to 50% of women worldwide have dense breast tissue, which makes it more difficult to obtain accurate readings. ENS Healthcare have developed a patented and revolutionary blood test for breast cancer, which addresses all the issues and problems associated with mammography. The ENS test, called DxMe BC, is a non-invasive blood test and uses a proprietary TRX1 biomarker. With over 96% sensitivity and specificity, it works with automated ELISA platforms and is scalable for global use. Trials show high performance across all breast cancer types and stages. Even for early detection and monitoring, it works regardless of breast density or tumor subtype. Early detection with any cancer is important, and the major limitations with mammograms is the identification of small tumors. The DxMe BC, with its ability to detect tumors of any size, equates to lower treatment costs, higher survival rates, a less aggressive treatment regime, and for the patient, a better quality of life. The addressable market is over 20 billion. ENS are now in discussions with various companies in over 20 countries, including Egypt, New Zealand, Malaysia, Australia, UK, Indonesia, Uzbekistan, Israel, and the UAE. The revenue model is the sale of test kits and automated platforms. The intention is to work with existing distributors and sellers of diagnostic equipment who can access public health systems and private clinics. We also seek to release in mid-2026 for evaluation our breast cancer rapid test, which in proof of concept trials has delivered similar results to the DxMe BC ELISA test. Results with the rapid test would be available in 20 minutes, offering a very effective and cheap screening method in remote areas or in a doctor's surgery. We have European CE IVD, and the test is registered in 2 countries, and we are progressing in approvals in another 6 countries. Our go-to market strategy focuses on government-led pilots, partnerships with key hospitals and labs, and collaboration with NGOs. The tests can be produced in high volumes once approvals are gained. We forecast fast growth from 3 million 12 months out from June 25 and expect earnings to be greater than 500 million by year 4. We expect profitability from year 2 with strong EBIT margins. We are seeking a $15 million investment, which will be primarily used for commercialization, regulatory approvals, clinical expansion, and to increase our manufacturing base. Our exit strategy is an IPO or M&A deal in late 2028 with a $1.2 to $1.5 billion valuation. This round we seek $15 million for 11.1% equity, the projected return of over 8 times. DxMe BC is proven, scalable, and ready for global impact. Join us in changing breast cancer detection and saving lives. Thank you for viewing this presentation.